Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable cloud save for Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Now, here's an important note before we proceed. You can enable or disable Steam Cloud Saves in two ways, globally for all games or for specific individual games. I'll show you both methods so you can choose whichever works best for your needs. Let's start with the global method. In the upper left corner of the Steam window, click on Steam and then select Settings from the drop-down menu that appears. This will open your Steam settings panel where you can manage various preferences. In the left panel of the settings window, click on Cloud. This section is dedicated to managing how Steam handles your saved game data across different devices. Now navigate to the option that says Enable Steam Cloud. Right beside it, you'll see a toggle switch. If you want to enable cloud saves for all your games, click the toggle to turn it on. If you prefer to disable it, simply click the toggle to turn it off. When this feature is turned on, all games will use cloud saves automatically. When it's turned off, no games will use cloud saves. This gives you complete control over whether your game progress is backed up to the cloud or stored only on your local device. Now, let me show you how to enable or disable Steam Cloud for a specific game. In the upper left corner, click on Library. This will take you to your game collection where all your installed and purchased games are listed. In the left panel, locate the game you want to enable or disable Steam Cloud for. Right-click on that game, and from the menu that appears, select Properties. This will open a new window with detailed settings specifically for that game. Look for the option that says Keep Game Saves in the Steam Cloud for. Right beside it, you'll see a toggle switch. If you want to enable cloud saves for this particular game, click the toggle to turn it on. If you want to disable it, click the toggle to turn it off. This method is perfect if you only want certain games to use cloud storage while keeping others local only. And that's it, you now know how to manage Steam Cloud Saves both globally and for individual games. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.